Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a home goods haul. It's going to be an inspirational home goods haul. This little man's going to be a part of it today as he drives cars on my back and do my hair. So I'm probably going to get one stuck. Yeah, let's not go over there. How about over here? So this is not any ordinary home goods haul. I went to Home Goods specifically for their inspiring lady boss lady decor. If you guys know what I'm talking about basically all of their like office section decor stuff. And so I've always seen it. I always like didn't want it, didn't need it, like, because I wasn't like feeling like I, was that kind of like person. Completely embracing that title. Yes, sweetie. But I'm completely embracing that title. So I went for it, and I specifically went to Home Goods for this trip. So I went to Home Goods to get all these things, inspiring quotes, decor, picture frames, etc. for my walls. I don't have a specific office space, but I decided I either wanted to put it in my room or put it where I sit and do all of my work. So I just went for it. So that's what I'm going to show you today, and let's just jump right into this video. So my name is Megan, and this is Overcoming This Life. I'm basically an inspirational channel to moms or anyone. I share basically what I do to get inspired, things I listen to, things that motivate me. I share where I've been, what I've been through to get to how I feel and to become the person I am today. So yeah, I'm basically just on a journey to success. Stop until I get there. I just wanted to share this journey with everyone else in hopes it inspires someone or anyone to be just as successful in their life, because everyone deserves to have an amazing, awesome life and nothing less than ordinary, and everyone deserves that. So if someone can share something out of their life to help someone else have a better life, why not? So that's what I'm here to do. So let's just jump right into this Home Goods haul, and I will explain to you kind of what I got, why I got it, and why I'm doing a haul. So, okay, so my first item is, this isn't like a quote or decor thing. Well, it is, I guess, decor, but it's for my mail, because I'm just tired of having my mail everywhere. And I would think I'd have something organized, or like an organizational area for it, and I just want it. It would be one place, and then it would be a different place, and then it would just end up like all over the place. So this is like a nice big cute basket to put your mail. He was putting his cars in here, or dinosaurs. So yeah, I gotta put this back before he breaks it. So I just thought it was so cute. I almost got like a gold basket to put on the wall, but this just kind of pops because my walls are white and I can't see my mail, so it'll feel less decluttered. That is a key tip, I must say, is don't get anything that you can see in it. You're gonna feel more like zen like when you sit down and you look at your like TV console. Honey, that dinosaur's not gonna fit in there. Yeah, just the small dinosaurs, not the big ones. I'm sorry. Can you grab him? Okay, so what was I talking about? Oh yeah, get things where you can hide it. So I was gonna get like a little gold basket that you could basically see through. I was like, really, it's cute, but realistically I'm not gonna want to see my mail decluttered on the wall. That's just not gonna look good. So let's dump him out. Ready? he's upset. So I went with this one, and I love it. I'm so glad I did. It's just a little gray mail basket. It's adorable. And so I also wanted to throw in here because we went into Target yesterday, and I got one decor inspirational item that I wanted to throw in this video as well. And I also grabbed some cleaning supplies I wanted to share with you guys, like kind of what my favorites were and what I found there that smelled amazing, so that maybe you guys can pick them up because they smell so good. So, so one thing I got is I usually order these from the Grove, but I ran out of like a couple things, so I wanted to just go to Target and grab them because I know they're there. And this one is the Method Anti-Bat in the scent Bamboo. I don't know why I haven't got this sooner, but it smells so good. It's like probably one of my new favorite scents. Also, I don't know if you guys have ever tried their floor cleaners for like hardwood floors or any type of floor actually, but they have this one that's specific for wood floors or hardwood floors, but really you can clean them on any floors. I don't know. Basically, it's on the scent Almond, and they had this Wood for Good Polish by Method, and it's also in that almond scent, and I wanted to try it for my cabinets, even though like their Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray works fine. I just kind of wanted to have like a shiny polish look, so I got this to try. I also ran out of the apple cider Mrs. Meyer spray, so I surprisingly didn't stock up on a bunch because I didn't want to like get that big letdown, you know, at the end of the season when it's all gone. You know, I just didn't want to go through that like separation with, you know, the cleaning spray whole thing, so I just got one just to get that last, you know, great smell and be done with it. So, and then I found this, and it was only in a hand soap, probably because everyone smelt how amazing it smells and took all the dish soap, whatever else it comes in, but it is the Method pomegranate smell, and oh my god, is all I have to say. It smells like amazing, freaking amazing. I don't even know how it's even possible, but it smells so good. It like smells like, what does this smell like? A lollipop, tutti frutti, something. It just smells like, it smells like heaven. It smells so good. I'll share with you what I got for the decor at Target as well, because I did go there to see what they had. And I got this. It was on sale, and I liked it because for my other ones, it's like a longer one. It doesn't even fit in the video. And it's like a fabric background, and it has gold sides. So cute. It basically says, live your dreams, show compassion, create your own happiness, follow your heart, enjoy the little things, laugh out loud, be your best self, cherish every moment, dream big, embrace every possibility, discover your passion, believe in miracles, create peace, make a wish, be spontaneous, remember to breathe, fall in love, today is the day. It's just so cute. It's so cute. I love it. So I got this. It was on sale, and because it had like this little tear in the back, they gave you like an extra 10% off. So that was cool. But yeah, I thought it was beautiful. So that's what I got from Target. And then my dog's afraid of the rug. I don't know why. I think because it's like slides, I had to put like a little track thing down because it's not under all the couch parts. So he's a little scaredy cat. He's a scaredy cat Rottweiler. So this is probably one of my favorites from HomeGoods, and it's like an actual picture. I love it. And I had to say, do you guys ever like have that moment? It's like a Hallmark moment where you go in the Hallmark store and you read a card and you just like get all the feels and you start crying, or like you start like getting choked up. I had one of those moments in HomeGoods reading this sign. I'm pathetic. So it basically says, "You've always had the power, my dear. You just had to learn it for yourself." And it's from The Wizard of Oz. It is, I just love it. It is so cute, and it's in such a cute little frame. They also had another one that kind of looked, it was in the exact same frame, but I had to read it a couple times to like understand it, or it's just me, I'm just slow, I don't know. So I love it. I honestly kind of want to go back and get the other one, but I do know like I had some issues reading it, so probably not a good idea. And this was $40, which is kind of expensive at Home Goods, but it was compared to like $55, I think, so it was worth it to me, because I think it's because it resonates so like closely to my life and what I went through. Basically, because like, you know, it took me a while. Like, I was never this motivated or this determined or driven when like 3 years ago or 2.5 years ago. You know, like I just wasn't. When I lived up in Washington, you know, and I didn't have a son, and I was with my ex, like I was not motivated at all. Never. You know, I never looked to do anything to better my life. Or I did, and I would just give up so easily. So, you know, it's like what I went through is like a huge learning experience. You know, it was a shitty thing, but it's like sometimes shitty things have to happen to good people to get them to go in the direction that like God knows you're supposed to go. Or, you know, whoever you believe in is supposed to know you're supposed to be at in life, because someone knows you're supposed to be that good and have a life that you deserve, and like you just have to go through something to realize how good you are, or how like, you know, how determined you are to get there. You know, and I know having a kid changes your life. It does. It's a huge drastic difference. But it's like that, and on top of what I went through, and kind of like having this like mindset of like fight or flight mode, it was like I'm not sinking. I'm not. So it's, you know, I have a child to look after. He depends on me and only me, and we gotta go, and I'm not gonna give up. And so, you know, I never knew that, so I had to learn for it. You know, I had to learn. Unfortunately, in a really sad way, but that's just life. So I just love this. I just love it. So there's that. And then for my office, I have this little plaque. It's so cute. My colors, as you can see, are like blue, gray, and white. And so it just like all these colors fit perfectly with my home. I just think it's so cute, and like the cutest writing. It doesn't have any like little slat or little hook thingies, so it's like you have to set it on like your desk, office, room, space, whatever. It's just so cute. It was $6.99, so that's such a good deal. And then I've always seen these, and I've like always like been like, no. You know, it's like I've always wanted to be that person, but I never thought I was like actually that kind of person. But it's like I said, I'm gonna run with it, and I'm that person. So, Lady Boss, I got it. I got the freaking plaque thing. And it's marble. I think it's so cute. They had like some brown ones, but I liked like the marble and gold. That was cute. And they also had some like different sayings. They all didn't say Lady Boss. And I took the tag off, but I think it was $6.99 as well. I think it was $6.99, but like compared this to this, like it should be a little bit less, but like this is really cute. So I have this, and once I'm done, I've already hung this stuff up so I can show you where I put it. I kind of wanted this in my room at first, but I have it now on this wall, so you guys can let me know what you think. I'm not sure. I think I still need to add some stuff to it, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. I also got this notebook. They have really great notebooks at HomeGoods for super cheap. I wanted another one because I obviously don't go there all the time. It was $6.99. It says Brilliant in a shiny blue, navy blue, and it's like rose gold. It's the perfect size too. It's not too small, it's not too big. I just thought it'd be great to do, like, write down like video ideas and any kind of things I think of I can put other than in my planner. I thought it was a great idea. Which I already have a whole bunch of notebooks, but the one I got last time was a little too small, so this is like a perfect size. And yeah, and they're just such a good price. This was only $6.99, so great price. So good find in the notebook section today, or 2 days ago. And then the last three, I don't know if they're always supposed to match each other what they have out, but they did, so that's awesome. Are you still tired? Yeah. So this one is Don't Wish for It, Work for It. And again, white and gray. So, like, so cute. I think it's adorable. And it does have like a little, so these all you can hang. I think that's so cute. And it was $9.99. And then these ones are in these. I have two of these and they're in this same shape, the rectangle. And it says set goals and crush them, and it has like just the white on white. And then my last one is Believe You Can and You Will. And it has the gray in the back and then the white on the outside. And this was $9.99 as well. So yeah, I think these were so cute. I already have them hung up, or did, so I'm going to show you guys what they look like I said. You have to let me know how you like them. But I think I still need to add some more. I just love them all. I think they're so cute and they're so inspirational to look at every day. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. I love quotes, like I've said before. I had like the video on quotes, but quotes are really something that I love to read and look at every day. So having these on my wall is such a huge inspiring, motivating thing to me. So if you guys don't have that right now, I suggest you do if you want to be inspired, because it's a huge motivating thing to see every day on your walls, because you look at you can't forget about it. So okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like on the wall. I have the 3 pictures there and the lady boss on top of one of them, and the long picture next to it. I feel like it needs some more stuff though, obviously, because it looks a little empty. And then here I have the office sign there. I thought that was cute, but the wall looks a little bare. And then I have that sign right there, and then my mail sign over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. It means so much to me and my son. I hope I inspired you to go to HomeGoods or Target or look online or anything. I will also see if I can find any links for any of these. I know they're obviously a lot cheaper at HomeGoods, but sometimes people don't have HomeGoods around them. I know I didn't when I lived up in Washington, and sometimes some people have that like I want it now type of idea. So that's why I went out to Target yesterday. But yeah, so I will try and find any links for you and I'll put them down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.